Welcome to Little or Nothing. My name is Hakeem, Brother Ak, and today I'm going to be putting together a vegan, vegetarian shepherd's pie. We're going to start out here with this is the last video that I did. I said that this was Mexican sweet potato. It's Korean sweet potato. And I got some kale sauteed. And I have a trinity here. I have some onions, purple onions. I got some green peppers and some yellow peppers and some sauteed garlic, sweated actually. You add your seasonings for taste. I prefer to keep the seasonings in this recipe simple. A little sea salt and some red pepper. And over here I got some squash. I always say the name wrong. And I have some parsley. So we're going to put this together. And I have here already oil pan with some olive oil. And where's my spoon here? First of all, I'm going to go over and wash my hands a little bit. Take my hibiscus squash here. And we'll layer them on the bottom of the pan here. Like so. Different pieces. Yeah, I'm gonna lay them out like that. Take yourself a little kale here. Saute kale, spread it around like that. Just spread that around. And look at that nice little color. I'm going to add some of these sauteed, sweated green peppers, purple onions, and garlic. Add a little bit more of this. Get that and get your veggies in there, the little green veggies. Just be strong. And how's everybody's day out there? I hope everybody stayed in. Stuff is getting real serious. I just now found out one of my favorite rappers, Scarface of the Ghetto Boys, was just now diagnosed with the C word. It's okay, we're going to keep him in our prayers. We're going to keep a whole bunch of people in our prayers in 2020. This is like getting real ridiculous. I'm not going to go there. We don't need none of that melancholy. Because we cooking some food. So I'm going to add a little bit of this fresh parsley. It's roughly chopped. Sprinkle that around in there. We're going to give this a little crunch. I got some regular potato chips here. I'm going to give it a little crunch. This is usually on like casseroles or something like that, but we're going to give it a little, do our thing here. Give it a little crunch. Yeah, we're going to sprinkle that around. Yeah, give it a little crunch, and we're going to put it in a 350 degree oven. We're going to bake this for 25 minutes. Yeah, here we go. Here we go. Okay, we're going to plate this here. It's been, give it about 25 minutes. Take ourselves a nice big heaping plate right here. Okay, where's my spatula? Okay, here we go. Take this out like this. Okay, breaking a little bit. That's okay. See what that looks like. All right. Oh, that's nice. Okay, we're gonna plate that like that. Right, broken, but it's gonna still get eaten. Okay, we're gonna take a little salt and pepper, tomato right there, a little extra seasoning. I'm gonna take a little bit of green onion here. Pour that on there. And I got some little bit of this homemade hot sauce. Take a look at that. Oh. Take a little bit of this parsley. I like to cover my stuff up. I don't know about y'all, but I like to cover my stuff. Okay, a little fresh parsley on top, sprinkle on top. Okay. And this is my vegetarian shepherd's pie. Little nothing.